Babe. Baby. Babes. Cutie? Okay, which one do you like? I know, but I want to give you a pet name. I feel like it's never too early for that. Come on, you're too adorable for me to call you by your government name. Okay, yes, I do love your name. And no disrespect to your parents, but I just want to give you a pet name that's just for me. Just like how you're just for me. Don't worry, we can workshop it. Hey, what's that face for, huh? Are you feeling okay? No, you just seemed a little down, that's all. Did I do something? Oh. Hey, that's okay. Yeah, it's fine. I was just playing around. I don't have to give you a pet name right away. Yeah, you're right. We did just start seeing each other. You know, I'm happy to take it slow if you want. Yeah, it's no problem at all. Yeah, I know you have a lot you're still healing from too, so. Can I actually tell you a secret? Shush, I know it's corny. Too bad. As I was saying, even before we started dating, I thought you were the absolute coolest. Stop, I'm serious. You know, I would look at you and think, damn, I want to get to know everything about this person. And I felt like I could see your heart through all the walls you had built up. Yeah, it was easy to see. Really, you were so kind to me all the time. You didn't realize it, but your kindness always came when I needed it most. It was like clockwork, like I was having a bad day and oh, there they are. There they are. Without even knowing it, you were there for me. Just by giving me a smile or laughing at a stupid joke or something. I thought, one day I hope they'll feel safe enough to share their stories and show me the real version of them. Flaws and all. Yes, walls and all. One day I hope to kiss all your emotional scars and be super close to you. Not like to save you or rescue you, because you're perfectly capable of doing that yourself. Yes, you are. You're so strong. Shut up. But yeah, not to save you. I just wanted to walk through life by your side. Yeah. And knowing what you went through, I feel like I'd be able to, I don't know, like see you fully, like really see you. I guess I'm trying to say I just wanted to be in your corner. Wanted a boring but special life with you. Like find our favorite restaurants, and whenever we walked in, everyone would know us. Yeah, like Cheers, exactly. Except way less Ted Danson, please. The point is, if you haven't guessed it already, I'm just super, super, super into you. And I can't wait to see where our relationship is going to go. And what it's going to become. And all the stuff we're going to do. Yeah, you make me so excited for the future. Honestly, I never really felt that before. You know, now I'm realizing I kind of sound like Joe from You. And I'm sorry if I'm coming on too strong. Just the main thing is I'm happy to go at your pace, okay? I know you've been hurt in the past, you know? No, hey, stop it. Stop that. Your pain is valid. It's not your fault at all. But I know it's really hard to heal from, and it does take a lot of courage. I don't think we acknowledge that enough. That choosing to heal is this scary thing. It's not linear, it's not the same for everyone. I know firsthand. And I'm going to show you that I'm here to stay. And I promise to always be patient with your healing journey and show you that you and your heart are safe with me. I can't tell you how excited I am to help you guard it. I promise to always listen with an open mind when you need to vent. Oh yeah, I'm a great listener. This monologue right now is probably not the best example, but this doesn't count, okay? Anyways, I'll always hear you out, okay? Even if you think it's dumb, I can guarantee you that I won't think so. Yeah, literally anything. Big, small, gross, I'm down for it all. And if you ask for it, I will offer the best solutions that I can think of. Always keeping your best interests in mind, of course. Because I love seeing you happy and smiling. And when you feel safe enough to open up for me, it makes me so happy. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I already know we established I'm corny. You knew that when you met me. You knew you were getting into this. How are you feeling? Is it too much to hear me gush over you like this? Yeah, you're feeling shy? That's okay, we can just cuddle. Yeah, of course, I'm not gonna just make you listen to me talk. Especially if you're feeling drained. That's fine. We don't have to have eye contact the whole time. Don't be silly, your boundaries are your boundaries. I'm not gonna cross the line, okay? Eye contact is really intense, or it can be, so yeah, of course. If you don't want to, it's fine. Okay, important question. What is your ultimate hug? Yeah, like, are you a side hugger, frontal, sneak attack from behind? Ooh, I like that kind. Yeah, of course I'm down. Come here. You're so soft. Yeah, I feel so spoiled. It's pretty rare that you find someone who likes the same kind of hug that you do. Actually, I'm just being nervous. I don't know what kind of statement is that. There's only a couple of different kind of hugs, so it's not that rare to find someone who likes the same hug. Oh boy. Yeah, you make me nervous. Don't tell anybody though. You know, I have this confident kind of thing I have to keep up. No. You know, I'm really only this way with you. I'm sitting on a park bench, just content doing nothing, sitting here. Like, who does that? It's because I have great company. Yeah, I love how you bring out this softer side of me. And I can't wait to see what kind of sides I bring out of you. I guess we'll have to see then, huh?